Hello, welcome to my channel, Virtual Joint. This is where we do everything about anything tech. Yes, if you want any information about AI, that is artificial intelligence, about the latest and coolest apps trending, about the latest softwares, where to get what concerning technology, this is the right place to be. And this is where we teach simple stuff you can do with your phone or even on your laptop, your PC, everything, be it iOS, be it Android, I got you covered. Now today the tutorial is very interesting because we are going to learn about 4 crazy apps that you need to get on your phone. Yes, you heard right, 4 crazy apps. They are very interesting apps, and the fourth one will blow your mind. It is quite a crazy app to get on your phone. So without wasting much time, let us go straight to the point and then get to know these apps that I am talking about. Now if you are using Android, you are free to hit the Play Store and then get it. If you are on Apple too, then you have the Apple Store to run to for that app. So the very first app that we are talking about, let's go to our Apple Store and search for that interesting app. The first app we are dealing with is called iantitheft. Yes, the name has popped up, iantitheft. That is what we are getting for our first app of the day. And you know, it is a security or alarm security against theft. If anyone tries to mess up with your phone, yes, we got you covered. This is one of the apps you can use to secure your phone, either in public place or wherever you feel that someone can snatch or even take your phone, when you lose guard or when you leave it on your table at a restaurant, in a public place, anywhere at all. This is the right app for you. So it is downloaded. Let us open. Yes, there you have it. And then you see, welcome to iantitheft. Please create pin code in the next step to protect your device. So we're going to create our pin code to protect our device. So hit continue, and then you select 4 numbers. Please put that or these numbers at the back of your mind. Do not forget them. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going for the simplest of them, or I'm just going for 1 2 3 4. So you have to re-enter the code 1 2 3 4. There you have it. So this is the app. Yeah. So right, so we are here. So you see these 4 icons with 3 of them having red padlocks beside it. Yes, this is a paid app, but it is also free in a way, because it gives you one of the coolest options for free, that is the motion. And in fact, that is basically what this tutorial seeks to teach. So you can see motion, you can see power packet, headset. All right, all these, the last 3 are paid. So if you want to subscribe or you upgrade, here it is, you upgrade, and then all these 3 are unlocked for you. But for now, this motion icon is what we're going to play with. So to secure your phone, as I indicated earlier, on a public space, just tap on motion and then leave the phone like this. Just leave it like that, and your passcode to stop the noise or stop the alarm from going off. So anyone who picks up the phone without knowing that this is the kind of app you have on your phone, man, it's going to startle the person, and all eyes will be on that fellow. So the person will be caught red-handed. That is how cool this app is. So let's try it again. I'm going to tap it and then make a movement, shake the phone, and you would hear the alarm go off. So I punched in my pin code and done. The next app is Forge Neon, and just like we did for the first one, we head straight to App Store, clear the previous name, and then type in Forge Neon, and we hit the search bar. There we have it. Hit download, and it also downloads. Now this is more like a game, and man, it is quite an interesting app. You get to play around with a lot of stuff, and you would see in a jiffy. So app is downloaded, open, and here we are. Again, this is also a paid app, but it gives us the freedom to use the free version, and again it runs ads as well. So probably as I go on with this tutorial, one or two apps or one or two ads might pop up. So let's go to play, and we have some few instructions we can, so let's just skip all these instructions, and yes, we are good to go. So what we can do, just use your fingers to draw any kind of design on the black screen, and you'll be mesmerized as to what will happen. So this is an example, so see what is happening. Look at how cool that is. If you want to change colors, you tap on the setting icon down below, tap on the kind of color you want, go back, and then make any kind of design around it, and then see how it naturally blends in seamlessly. Look at how it is going. If you want to make any further changes, just tap on the icon in the middle down below. Let's choose another color shade, go back and make any sort of design, and you'll be marveled at what will happen. Wow, look at how good that is. Yes, you can still play around with it, do all manner of designs, and then come in with a lot more designs. There you have it. And then when you click on the icon at the bottom right corner, it gives you this kind of setup where you can use the arrows to turn around the designs to whatever state or position, turn it, rotate it, do whatever with it. You see, turn it upside down, left, right, center, whatever, and there you have it. Come back again. At the top you scroll, and there are lots of icons to play with, a lot of enhancements to play with. The next one is this, where you can have a lot of icons to click to effect changes in the app, in the appearance, you know, the speed. So I can increase the speed, go back, and then you see how fast the light is moving up and down. So we can still change it, reduce the speed, and then you can see how it has slowed down. This is more like a slow motion. Go back, increase it to the middle, and then the spin, you can also choose anything, just play around with it, and then you see how beautiful it is. You can still do so many designs, and you'll be marveled at what the coolest thing about this app is. That you can save to gallery. Yes, before you can save, just click on the check mark beside upgrade. You click on it, and then you have save. So click on save, and then there you go, artwork saved to gallery. Yeah, now let's move straight into our next app. Then there is Fluid, which pretty much looks like the Forge Neon. It also works in that manner. It is similar, has to do with you playing around with color and stuff. So you see, you use your fingers to swipe around, and then you have an array of design, very cool and crazy stuff going on right now. Yes, that is basically how this also works, pretty much like Forge Neon, but with some kind of smooth coloring and touches associated with it. Yeah, so there you go. All right. So you pick here, you can change with these stuff up here. You can change a lot of things, a lot of presets, etc. Play around with it and then do as you please with the app. So we are moving on to the last app, the craziest of them all, as I indicated early on. So stick and stay as I introduce to you the next app. So our final app is the calculator X. Of course, it shows calculator clock, but when you're searching for it on App Store, type calculator X and it will come. And then on Play Store, I think it is calculator lock or clock like this, and then it will pop up. So let's hit calculator clock. There we have it. It is like every other regular calculator, you know. But then there's a twist to this. Pay close attention to what is about to happen. Look at the instruction. It says that enter four numbers and click equal to set password. Since when did calculators come with passwords? Okay, so let's just be obedient, follow the rules, and then see how it ends. Okay, so for the purposes of tutorial, I'm going to take the simplest password. Sorry, so 1 2 3 4 equal. Then I re-enter the password to confirm 1 2 3 4, and then successful. Your password is 1 2 3 4. Okay. Then question comes, where were you born? Okay, let me type in anything. I was born in Cape Coast, so Cape. All right. So we go, and voila! See where we've been brought to. This app actually allows you or gives you a different space on your phone. How cool is that? Gives you a different space. You can import pictures, you can import videos, you can import your notes, set password, do everything, and it wouldn't appear in your regular desktop where everyone else can access. So for example, I'll tap pictures and then tap the plus sign and tap photos. So allow access to photos, select photos, don't allow. So allow access to photos. These are my photos. I tap on quite a few of them and done. And voila, it brings us to this safe. It is kind of a safe where you can keep your stuff without people noticing. So anyone else who picks up this is only looking at a calculator, whereas you know what. Look at how cool that can be. Wow, this is so cool. So 78 plus 1 equal to 79. You can use it as your regular calculator, everyday calculator, but you know what it is. So if you see this up on someone's phone, then you know they are kind of up to something, trying to hide a few stuff from public viewing. So you go 1 2 3 4, your password equal, and then you are brought to your safe, and you alone know what is in there. You can access it anytime, any day. So if you are pleased, if you like our content, my content, your content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification icon once again, so that whenever I drop any new thing, you will be the first to know. Don't forget to spread the word, share our content, share your content, share my content, like, and then comment. I'll see you around in the next tutorial. Stay safe. Bye.